Hello everyone, welcome to PC Drills, where you find help on how to handle your PC related issues. Today we are going to be seeing how to install VLC media player on a Windows 10 64-bit machine. As you know, VLC is an all-in-one media player that plays audio, video and high quality files and even some online streaming. So we are going to download and install VLC on our Windows 10 for today. So you head over to our browser and search VLC, and we download from the official website videoland.org, which is the first link we find from our Google search. Once on the site, we have to choose the installer that matches our own machine. As for the selected version here, we have 3.0.10 Windows 64-bit, which matches with my machine, which is also a 64-bit machine. We have this number of downloads so far. For example, if you had but a 32-bit machine, you could simply click on this drop down and then you choose this simple Windows. This empty Windows without the number of bits signifies the 32-bit version, and for this we have the 64-bit version. You can also select for Windows Phone, Mac OS, Linux and Android and other operating systems, and it's a free software. So I simply click on download, or you can still follow the other way. You click on the operating system you wish and you simply click on it. After a while you should see your download begin, and you are being asked to save the file. When you are being asked to save the file, simply take and you click save file, and it downloads the file for you. So I head over to my downloads. I simply double click to start the installation process. Once prompted with the user account control, I simply click yes for it to install. For the language, I use English, so I simply click on OK. If you needed to use another language, you can choose from this menu of languages, and it supports a lot of languages. Simply take OK for English, and I simply click on next. Here I do the same, next. Here the same. If you had to customize your install and choose your various plugins that you need to use, here's where you do that. You can check and uncheck boxes, create a shortcut for the desktop. You can also accept to create a shortcut for the start menu or not. Here is where you do all those configurations by simply checking and unchecking these boxes. So I want just the default installation. I just click on next, and this is the default install location. If I had to change it maybe to another drive, I could come to browse and change the drive, but now I just want it to be installed in my C drive in the programs files Videoland VLC default location. I just click on install. The install won't take long, so you just have to wait for it to complete. Once installed, simply click on finish, and with this checkbox checked, it means after clicking on finish, the VLC application is going to load up, and that's what I want. So I simply click on finish just to see how my application installed, and the first setting to set, I wish to set it just now, so just click on finish with the checkbox checked. And here is the interface of the application. If I wanted to play maybe a video file, I could just head over to my videos and I play this tutorial. On our Windows 10 machine. Here, this is my PC. I've got a lot. As you can see, the VLC media player works cool. So we are done with our installation without any troubles. And if you are being asked to allow metadata access, you simply uncheck the box and then you continue. But here I'm not being asked because I've already been using VLC on this PC, so after my uninstallation I don't have to accept metadata because some of the old settings they still apply. So that's all you need to take note. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. We hope that it was helpful, and if it helped you, we wish that may you like, subscribe and recommend it to others. Thank you for watching, and for any comments or suggestions, please leave them down at the comments below. Thank you and see you next time.